100 billion transistors, each one 10,000 times thinner than a human hair, built in a room cleaner than an operating theater. Every half second, an Intel processor is completed in this building. That's 172.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you deep inside Intel's most advanced fabrication facility.
Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Intel processors are made, step by step.
We need to ensure these calibrations align perfectly with Intel's standards.
Understood. I've input the initial parameters you provided.
Technology is revolutionary. It allows us to achieve unprecedented precision and efficiency in our manufacturing processes.
We're seeing significant electron leakage here.
The battery life is plummeting, and the heat generation is off the charts.
Specialized skills are crucial in semiconductor manufacturing. Rigorous training programs prepare new engineers.
Eureka! We've cracked it!
This changes everything.
Let's get this patented immediately.
This Intel facility produces 172,800 processors every single day. That's 7,200. Intel operates fabrication facilities across 3 continents. Arizona produces the most advanced processors. Intel's Arizona cleanroom spans over 100,000 square meters, larger than 17 football fields combined. A single Intel processor requires 3 months to manufacture, over 2,000 individual processing steps, hundreds of machines touching each wafer.
14,000 employees work at Intel's Arizona campus. Engineers, technicians, operators, support staff. Average employee tenure is 12 years.
Intel's Arizona fab represents $30 billion in capital investment. Single EUV machines cost $350 million each.
Intel's Arizona presence supports 78,000 indirect jobs regionally. Suppliers, contractors, restaurants, retailers. Intel's processor manufacturing directly supports 3,200 supplier companies globally. Another 12,000. Over 5 billion Intel processors currently operate worldwide, powering hospitals, banks, governments. Intel invests $17 billion annually in research and development, more than most countries spend on all scientific research combined.
Semiconductor manufacturing requires ultra-pure water. 90% of all water used.
Intel commits to 100% renewable energy for global operations. Solar installations generate power on. Intel diverts 90% of waste from landfills globally. Silicon waste becomes solar panels. Intel reduced absolute greenhouse emissions by 75% since 2010, while increasing production 5x.
Intel invests $100 million annually in STEM education globally, training the next generation of engineers and scientists. We need to hit 10,000 units today. Any questions on the quality alerts before we head into the cleanroom? What's the protocol if we see a deviation?
Good. Now, gently turn the primary calibration dial clockwise until the indicator reaches the green zone.
Did you see this one of Amelia at the beach?
Oh, she's gotten so big. Happy birthday, by the way.
Thanks for sharing the cake, man.
Okay, the pressure's dropping on line 3.
Could it be a blockage in the intake valve? Let me check the schematics.
Or a sensor malfunction? Try recalibrating. Unit 3 is stable, but keep an eye on the pressure sensor.
Noted. Any ongoing issues with the coolant flow?
Congratulations, team, on achieving this significant yield milestone. Your dedication is truly commendable.
Look, that's where Mommy works with the tiny circuits.
Wow.
Mhm.